And Siaya Governor James Orengo's nominees to the cabinet were today rejected by the County Assembly, which accused Governor Orengo of failure to adhere to the County Assembly Approvals Act. The County Assembly Select Committee on Appointments, chaired by Speaker George Okode, castigated the governor of reappointing people who had earlier been rejected by the Assembly. Okode told the nominees George Odhiambo Nying'iro, who was nominated to head Finance and Economic Planning, and Grace Agola for the Education, Youth Affairs, Gender and Social Services docket, that since they were rejected earlier, it was wrong for the governor to resubmit their names. Okode told the nominees that their awards were squarely linked to Governor James Orengo, who ought to have adhered or ensured that his nominees met the provisions of the law.
Section 10 of the Public Appointments Act, the County Assembly's Approval Act of 2017, provides for this. I want you to listen carefully. Section 10 says, 10.1, that when a nomination of a candidate is rejected by the County Assembly, the appointing authority shall submit to the County Assembly the name of another candidate, and the procedure for approval specified in this act shall apply accordingly. That your nomination was rejected, the appointing authority ought to have submitted another name. There are exclusions, so there is one. Part 2 says, a nominating authority shall not resubmit the name of a candidate whose nomination has been rejected by the County Assembly unless the circumstances relied on for the rejection of the appointment of the candidate did not exist or cease to exist at the time of rejecting the nomination of the candidate. So that provision with the 2 sections are really obligations on the part of the appointing authority. And it is the appointing authority that should answer those questions. All we need to report to you is that during this nomination, the appointing authority did not provide information that fulfills the requirements spelled out under that provision. And all we can do is just to ask you, it's at your discretion whether you want to apply yourself to that provision, whether you feel circumstances relied upon while rejecting your nomination the other time have changed. But we feel it is the appointing authority to answer.
Initially, last time when I was here, when you were talking, I had like you would want to do the background check. So that's why I did not want to interfere with the background check. But right now, if you give me opportunity, I can bring them. I can even go to Migori on Monday.
I, George Odhiambo Nying'iro, do swear that the information and evidence that I shall present before this committee on appointment in respect to the matter before the committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So